Environmental science is by nature a very practical-based discipline. We very much use that in our teaching, both in the classroom and in the field.
The reason I chose environmental science at King's University is one of two reasons, being the location, being so close to the Thames, then you also can have access to central London really quickly.
And Kingston had a really good disabled facility as well, and I'm able to use the note taker.
I really like the look of the modules on the course. The modules for the disasters and hazards was much more specific than other universities that I found.
So students who are particularly interested in hazards and disasters can choose the pathway which focuses on this. So in the second and third year they'll have modules specific to that.
The state-of-the-art facilities that we had were the science labs,
including wet chemistry and more environmental geography labs.
The computer rooms that have GIS software on it.
We have a lot of fieldwork equipment in terms of monitoring water quality, for example.
At Kingston University, we offer students multiple opportunities for fieldwork, both nationally and internationally.
In first year, we went to Cornwall, water sampling and putting in the context of water pollution. In second year, we went to Tenerife, which was looking at different sort of ecosystems as you went up in altitude.
And all of these were really useful because it kind of gives you in-person experience. You look at a range of different things, and then all of those skills that you learn also you can incorporate in your assignments.
Of course, you can learn all of these things in the classroom, but then going to Indonesia and seeing like, oh wait, there is plastic pollution literally everywhere when you're diving or doing, it really puts it in perspective. It's like, oh yes, this is why we're doing it, this is how it works, this is how it applies to the real world.
We offer a work-based placement year as an option, so students can take a year out after their second year.
I did a work placement year, and as part of that work placement, I received some Turing funding from the university, which enabled me to accompany some research scientists I was working with on fieldwork in the Caribbean.
They gain that real-world experience at a workplace. They actually bring that back to the classroom and enrich other students in their final year as well.
So having the opportunity to complete a work placement at university actually enabled me to help secure a job after graduating. So I've actually gone back to my workplace employer.
We also offer an apprenticeship route to degree qualifications, which is beneficial to supporting those people in society that might not necessarily have an opportunity to gain a qualification such as a degree.
I'd say the benefits of doing an apprenticeship over the traditional university course is the chance to do proper on-the-job learning.
I'm able to use the theoretical knowledge at Kingston and apply it to work in my career, and it really solidifies what I want to do in the future.
The world we live in now has many challenges, both on a global scale as well as a regional and a local scale. And I think our courses deal with these real-world challenges and are teaching our students to think for themselves in terms of finding solutions to those challenges.